Congratulations! Your company is successfully registered. Now you can complete your profile in just 2 steps. Step 1. In the top right corner, click the account icon. Here you will find several options. Let's begin by personalizing your account under Account Settings. Here, you can add your personal details, upload your company logo, cover image, and links to your social media channels. Simply select Update Profile to submit your changes. Once done, head back to the account icon in the top right and select Promo Settings. In this tab, you can add links to your booking page or website, as well as your phone number and more. When you scroll down, you'll also find the option to add welcoming benefits. Simply select Add Benefit and describe the benefit that you would like to offer your guests when they book directly. Make sure to check the box Show as Published. This will ensure it is visible to travelers. You can add up to 10 welcoming benefits, of which 6 can be published simultaneously. Keep in mind that the best benefits are listed higher on the platform. Once you have added your benefits, you can add a promo code that travelers can then use to claim their benefits on your business website or at your physical location. Step 2. Now it's time to add your videos. Press the top right button and then click Add a new video. Fill in all the details and add your thumbnail. Now you can choose to upload a video file or use an existing YouTube link. If you added welcoming benefits to your channel, you should select the applicable benefits for this video. Then proceed to click Submit. Once your video is approved by our team, your business will then be visible to travelers. It's as easy as that. Welcome to the world. Browse, book, benefits.